it's really relevant. So each and every time that we go to a different country and a different geography, and Daymon has been doing private label development for over 50 years. So we've been doing this private label development in very mature markets and in very underdeveloped markets. And indeed, India is still a very A-branded driven market. So each and every time that you need to raise awareness, either for the retailer side and for the supplier side, you need to have this type of forums. So this type of activities, this type of trade shows are super fundamental and a really keystone for anything that will come out after this. So really congratulations to everyone that is putting this together, because for sure the future of private label in India will pass through this show, and for sure all the vendors that will need and want to grab this opportunity of building up their businesses around private label will need to be present in this year and next events for sure.